I just can't give it up. Yes sir, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy D Nolly, aka Don Squally, and in today's video we are taking the 2010 Tundra to go get a tint job. Now for those of you guys who know I've had this Tundra for quite a while, I think I've had this thing for about a year now, and for those of you guys who know, I recently had a kid and this has been his vehicle. He doesn't go anywhere unless it's in this vehicle because well, I'll be damned if he's going in oil burner 3000 over there. But in today's video, we're going to get this thing tinted. We've been using these kind of cheap window covers that you can buy at like Walmart and Toys R Us and stuff. They're just junk. So in today's video, we are heading to a tint shop. We're going to be tinting the rear windows at I think 5%, and then I'm going to be doing the front in around 30%. I am running a little bit late though, so we're going to get on the road and talk more about why I decided to go that route. Jump in this beast, man. Alrighty, so we're just ripping into town here. This place is about 20 minutes away from my shop. Never used this place before, but if I like the results, you know, I'll throw the name in the video here. But the reason that I'm deciding to go with a 30% on the front windows as opposed to, let's say, like a 10 or 15, I would like to go 15% all around. Now for those of you guys who remember, I had the black Altima with the gold rims, and on that car I ended up doing 15% all around on the rear glass as well as the front two windows. Now I did like the way that it looked, I'm not gonna lie. I think it looked really dope. The biggest problem is that you know, the biggest problem with that setup was me actually reversing the car into my driveway every single day. Unless you rolled down the side windows while you were looking out the back, it was very difficult to see where you're going when you're reversing. And because I'm not the one normally driving this truck, if it was me and I was driving this truck like 90% of the time, I would probably just do 15% all around. But because my girl drives this truck like 99.9% of the time, the only time that I drive this truck is if I need to go get parts, or if we're going somewhere I prefer to drive just because I like driving, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's the deal. We're heading into town right now. I'll let you know when we get there, let you know how long it takes, and once we get the truck tinted up, we'll do a little walk around and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm looking forward to it because as you guys saw from the walk around initially, this truck is like a dark blue, dark wheels, blacked out everything, so I think this is gonna look really sleek, and it's gonna give us a little bit more of an Interceptor look that I've kind of been going with this truck. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when I get there and let you know the progress. Alrighty, so I just dropped the truck off about an hour ago. I got my laptop in my bag, so I just did some editing for the gaming channel. So I'm just heading over here to 7-Eleven. Gonna grab myself a quick bite to eat, and then I don't know, they said it was gonna be about 2 hours. That was an hour ago, so by the time I grab my sandwich, eat it, and head back, we should be just about done. So I'm excited. I ended up going with the 5% on the rear windows and 20% on the front two. They were showing me some samples, and I just figured that 20% looked good. 25, they had 30, 20, and I believe 15, and I don't know, for some reason the 30 looked very light, and then the 15, like I say, was a bit dark, so we ended up going with 20. So I think that should be pretty decent, but I'll get back to you guys when I pick up the truck and let you guys know what it looks like. Alrighty, so I just picked up the truck a few minutes ago. All in all, the process took exactly 2 hours. With taxes, it was exactly 250 bucks, and I gotta say, I am thoroughly impressed with the way that this looks. Now, like I say, if I was driving this car all the time, I'd probably tint the front windows to match the back, but the main reason for getting the tint is just when the little guy's sleeping in the back seat, just with the sun and stuff like that. That's the main reason that I tinted this truck. Now, this truck is going to be a long-termer for me. If anything serious happens to this truck, transmission, engine, whatever it is, it's more than likely going to get fixed. I got such a good deal on this truck that it's going to be with me for a very long time. So I decided to throw the tint on here, and I'm pretty happy with the investment. Now the film that they use is a brand called Suntech, and I have never heard of them before, but this place has some pretty good reviews, and they do have a lifetime warranty with bubbles, cracking, anything like that. I can just take them back and they'll replace the tint free of charge. So that's kind of the reason that I ended up going with this place. First class tinting in Orangeville, so check them out if you're in the area. And another reason I went with this company is just because well, they're close to my house, man, and even though I still work in the city, I wanted to be able to take this place somewhere close, just in case I did have to do some I don't know, any kind of warranty claims. Hopefully that, you know, we never have to do that. But that is pretty much it for today's video. I just, since I'm doing less modifications to like the Altima, the G35, the Tundra, I figured I'd start documenting the repairs, which is why we started, you know, putting up videos like the EGR replacement on the Civic and stuff like that. Because right now I have been pretty busy with work, you know, and then the birth of my son, obviously that's keeping me pretty busy. And, you know, modifying cars has kind of been put on the shelf for the time being. Not saying I'm never going to get back into it. I do obviously want to continue going to the track and get the G back and running, and then obviously install the nitrous and see what it can run. But for the time being, it's been a busy summer. It's been a very fast summer, and I figured we'd just start documenting stuff like this, since this is still a car related channel, and well, this is related to cars, man. So yeah, I'm totally impressed with the way that this looks. I'll do an update video if anything changes, and I don't know, we get some problems, bubbling, cracking with this tint. But I mean, it makes this truck look a lot more sleek. Now I was gonna put some nice 22s on this thing with a nice wide lip. I'm probably still going to, but I'm not gonna do that until the right deal comes up. But you guys know I painted the steel wheels black and then kept the silver center caps. Kind of looks like an undercover cop truck. And I don't know, man, the tint kind of adds to that. Not that I'm trying to be a cop or anything, but I do like the look, that style and look on this truck specifically. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So if you guys did enjoy this one, don't forget to smash that like button. If you guys want to see more and you're not subscribed yet, definitely do so. Some leaves all up in there. And yeah, man, if you guys want to see more, make sure that you stay tuned. We're gonna continue rocking out with the videos. It's your boy, but I guess we'll do our outro here. But with that being said, I'm your boy Denali, aka Don Squally, and as always, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna catch y'all mofos at the next one, man. Peace.